Hey everybody, this is the Mountain High YouTube channel. We got the Yard Man with the 32-inch deck on there, and got the John Deere sitting out there. But I just recently got this mower, and I was mowing a older guy's yard, and it did pretty good. But otherwise, now I got a piece of thicker fencing wire in the side of the tile. As you can see, they're pretty new, but it got it in the side, and I had pulled out a little crack on there. So right now you can't really tell, but it is a total flat. It's just dragging right along. I'm lucky the rubber didn't start spinning in the rim, but the guy I got it from was doing something a little strange with the tiles. As you can see, hang on, let's see. It's being rubbed off right here. Look at that. So he is rubbing against stuff. So it is a little rough, but otherwise than that, the tread in the middle. Sometimes you see them and they really bald. But I got some of this fix-a-flat here. See how it works. There's a little tube you screw on. A little set of directions. Okay, so you guys seen the directions. Let's see what we're dealing with. Okay, I haven't ever used this stuff before, so I want to see if it actually affiliates up the tile. You guys can't see too much of the flat. It really sorts them out if somebody gets on there. Really flat. Okay, I'm gonna hook on the fix it flat though. Okay guys, I got it screwed on now and everything. It's real easy to screw on. You guys still pulled a little safety tag here. And it's just like a trigger. See, there's the flatness. You can really tell on the inside. Look at that. So we'll see what it does. If it actually inflates, the whole mower is leaning. The side of the deck is dragging along the ground. Okay, here we go. I don't know if you guys can see, but the tile is raising. One thing this can said was shake really well for, I don't know, about a minute and 30 seconds. It's saying a minute, but I think that's as high as it's getting. It looks like the trigger kind of locks on. Still got a pretty bad bow on the back here. So it kind of set on the back of the case. If needed, do a pump. Oh, it's raising. Look. Maybe shake it around a little bit. I know if it can barely do a riding lawnmower tile, I don't know what it would be like in your vehicle for a spale. Oh, I like the trigger on cell foaming. See what it looks like in the back. It's getting title. You know what we'll have to do is unhook it and check the pressure. Here we go. I think this is the hottest spot here. Oh! That was messy. Look at that foam on there. What a waste. Has this little cup it kind of catches it with. I don't know if I really want to put that much foam in this tile. a whole can right there. It's a pound of foam. So it probably could do, I don't know, probably could do both back tiles and a front tile if needed. But for now, I'm just gonna hold on to it, fill it up with a DC pump, and if it needs it again, we'll add more foam. But there you guys have it, the fix it flat tile foam though. Barely doing a riding lawnmower tile. You're definitely gonna need a DC pump if you do a flat tile on the road or the highway or something like that. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. This is Mount High YouTube channel.